Hey everyone, I'm Ray from Lasac, and I'm going to show you how to expand your insert once you get it home. Unzip your insert and do it swiftly. Next, take the plastic off of the insert. Zip your plastic away inside the duffel, away from pets and children. So, as you can see, your insert is starting to expand by itself, but it's going to need your help. Get 2 fists and punch the insert. Tip it over and repeat that process. Do it again. What we're aiming to do is to punch the foam into smaller clumps so that we can work on them individually. As you can see, the insert is starting to expand. What we want to do is start working on those smaller clumps. Anything larger than a cricket ball, you want to knead and massage out. As you can see, I'm rubbing my hands together and I'm using that kind of kneading technique to sort of separate all of that foam. You're going to need to do this for another 10 or 15 minutes before you can leave it by itself. What we recommend now is for you to walk away for a couple of hours to allow the foam to fluff up a little bit more. Then come back and put your cover on. So that's it. The rest is yours. This process to expand your insert is the same across all our items.